Examples of Newton's laws of motion. First law of motion, law of inertia. 1. A rolling ball will continue to move in a straight path at constant speed unless it is acted upon by an external or unbalanced force. 2. The coin drop experiment. The coin has inertia, meaning it really wants to stay in one place. If you move the card slowly, it isn't fast enough to overcome that force. If you flick it quickly, the coin stays in one place and then drops into the cup. An object at rest will remain at rest. 3. Shaking a fruit tree. When we shake the tree, the fruits and dry leaves remain at their position due to the first law of motion. The inertia resists the motion, so, as the branch shake, they get detached from the tree. 4. In riding a vehicle, you are thrown forward. If it suddenly stops, a body in motion tends to stay in motion until something stops it. As a passenger in a vehicle, you are traveling at the same speed and in the same direction as the vehicle itself, but are not a part of it. A force called inertia keeps the car, and you inside it, traveling forward until something stops it and you. The brakes stop the car by applying force against the direction of travel. You, not being an integral part of the car, have your own inertia, which tries to keep you moving at the same speed and direction you. 5. Books on the table or shelves will not move unless you push or pull them. The greater the mass, the greater is its inertia. Newton's second law of motion, law of acceleration. 1. The lesser you push an object, the lesser is its acceleration. The greater you push an object, the greater is its acceleration. 2. The greater the mass, the lesser is its acceleration. 2. The greater the mass, the lesser is its acceleration. 3. The more force you apply in pushing the grocery cart, the greater its acceleration. 4. The greater force you apply in kicking a soccer ball, the greater its acceleration. 5. The greater force you apply in hitting a ball, the greater its acceleration. Newton's third law of motion, law of interaction, action-reaction. 1. In walking, our feet push the ground pushes back our feet. 2. In sitting, we exert force on the chair also exerts equal and opposite force on us. 3. In a tug of war, the first team to tug is the action force, causing the pull on the rope, as the reaction force, the other team's rope end feels the pull. 4. Launching a rocket relies on Newton's third law of motion. A rocket engine produces thrust through action and reaction. The engine produces hot exhaust gases which flow out of the back of the engine. In reaction, a thrusting force is produced in the opposite reaction. 5. In dribbling a ball, the ball pushes on the ground pushes back on the ball. 6. In swimming, you push the water backward, the water pushes you forward. The GIFs and content of this video is mostly from Google and other online sources.